When a renter fails to return your car on time, the key is to combine clear policies with proactive communication and firm enforcement. First, state Turo's grace period of 30 minutes and late fee rate in both your listing and confirmation messages. Then set up automated SMS reminders through the Turo app for 24 hours and then 1 hour before the return window, clearly noting the exact drop-off time. If the renter still arrives late, send a polite text advising them that the grace period has passed and that Turo's late fee now apply. Immediately notify Turo through the app that the guest is late and whether or not you are in communication with the guest. When the car is returned, then notify Turo of the return and the time that the vehicle was returned so that Turo can properly compensate you for this. Always maintain a minimum 60-minute buffer between bookings to protect your schedule. This blend of transparency, reminders, and quick action deters tardiness and ensures you're compensated for any delays.